Hi, this is Carlos Betancourt, Product Marketing Manager at Texas Instruments. This presentation introduces the new Ti Sitara AM437x processors based on the ARM Cortex-A9. It is an introduction to the product family. We will discuss features and capabilities as well as software and development tool options. The AM437x is the next generation Sitara processors. They come highly integrated based on a Cortex-A9 processor with enhanced industrial communications. The high-performance Cortex-A9 is offered in two speed grid options, 800 MHz and 1 GHz. There is also a 3D graphics accelerator and improved vector floating point unit. It comes packed with peripherals and other subsystems, such as the next generation quad-core PRU ICSS or programmable real-time unit and industrial communication subsystem that enables simultaneous industrial Ethernet protocols and motor feedback protocols. There's also a 32-bit memory interface and dual camera interface, dual CAN, dual gigabit Ethernet, and more, as we will see on the next slide. There is a free of charge stable mainline Linux software kit from TI, as well as easy to use development platforms and a variety of ecosystem support. The AM437x block diagram is featured on this slide. As you can see, it comes with a lot of integration. The high-performance Cortex-A9 comes in two speed grid options, 800 MHz and 1 GHz. There is a PowerVR SGX 3D graphics accelerator and a quad-core PRU ICSS microcontroller, which enables deterministic real-time processing for ultra-low latency requirements. It is this PRU ICSS that supports simultaneous industrial Ethernet protocols with motor feedback protocols. A new integration versus previous generation Sitara processors such as camera, quad-SPI NOR, up to 512 kilobytes of on-chip memory, 2 ADCs, and more. There is also a simplified power sequence for flexible power designs. Among the sample applications, this device is ideal for industrial drives, industrial HMI and PLC, barcode scanners, data terminals, patient monitoring, point of service, gateways, and many more. It is a true broad market processor. This processor is low power consumption enough to support battery operated applications or applications where thermal considerations are a concern. This device is sampling today and will be in production later at the end of 2014. The AM437x processors offer a variety of options of pin-to-pin compatible devices. The 4376 comes with a Cortex-A9 and a PRU ICSS. The 4377 adds the option of the EtherCAT slave protocol. The 4378 adds the option of 3D graphics. And the AM437x supports them all. The Cortex-A9 3D graphics accelerator, PRU ICSS, along with the EtherCAT slave firmware option. The AM437x processors have a variety of software options for easy and fast development. TI provides a complete Linux software development kit based on mainline Linux kernel 3.12, which come with an easy-to-navigate GUI with graphics and other demonstration. There will be an industrial software development kit in third quarter of 2014, which is going to be based on the TI RTOS or SysBIOS for real-time industrial communication protocol support. There is also diagnostic code for hardware validation and a variety of other software options for third-party ecosystem, such as Windows Embedded from Adenio, various RTOS solutions from QNX, Mentor Graphics, Green Hills, Wind River, and video and graphics support from Medium. There will be support for Android 4.3 from a third party in the fall of 2014 as well. The AM437x processors offer a variety of tools for fast time to market. The TMDX EVM437X known as a general purpose EVM, has a 4378 processor up to 1 GHz with 2 GB of DDR3, a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen display, a TPS65218 power management IC, and a connector for the Wiling 8 module. Key features include 2 camera modules, a gigabit Ethernet port, 2 CAN ports, NAND and eMMC flash, Linux software support, as well as other options from the TI ecosystem. It is available today for $599. The TMDX IDK 437X is the industrial development kit, which is going to be available in third quarter of 2014 for $329. Based on the AM437 up to 1 GHz, 1 GB of DDR3, a discrete power solution, 2 industrial Ethernet ports to support industrial protocols, as well as PWM and ADC, and a quad-SPI NOR flash. Software support includes the TI RTOS or SysBIOS Industrial Development Kit and the TMDX SK437X, which is the starter kit, targeted at under $300 and availability in fourth quarter 2014 based on the AM437 up to 1 GHz, 1 GB of DDR3L, 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen LCD, TPS65218 power management IC, a connector for the Wiling 8 module for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, a smaller form factor, 1 camera module, 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, and quad-SPI NOR flash. The AM437X General Purpose Evaluation Module or EVM is a feature-rich development platform. It comes with a 1 GHz Sitara AM437x Cortex-A9 processor, which includes a quad-core PRU for real-time operations, a micro SD card slot for booting software or for storage, plenty of onboard memory, including 2 GB of DDR3, 4 GB NAND, 4 GB eMMC, 2 CAN ports, 2 camera modules, one on board and the other on a daughter card that plugs into a connector. Both are 2 megapixel CMOS modules, a 20-pin ARM JTAG connector, a UART, a micro USB for host or device, a USB host port, audio input and output, a gigabit Ethernet port, user configurable buttons and LEDs. Comes with an HDMI connector for connecting to monitors and TVs. The COM8 connector supports the Wiling 8 module. The part number is WL1835 MODCOM8B, which you can search on the TI website. And a 7-inch LCD display with capacitive touchscreen and a resolution of 800 by 480. TI continues to be the largest ARM core licensee to provide solutions to customers for innovation. The Ti Sitara product family offers the right combination of performance, connectivity, software, and support. It reduces system risks and accelerates time to market by providing a comprehensive ARM-based portfolio, software development tools, and development platforms. For more information about the new Ti Sitara AM437X processors, visit ti.com/AM437X. For more information and to buy the evaluation module, visit ti.com/AM437X EVM. And for more information about the Sitara processors, visit ti.com/Sitara. Thanks for watching.